Hi, my name is Crystal, and we are going to go over a neck release and a bit of shoulders, mostly in a seated position, not too much moving around. So first, find a comfortable seated position on the floor or a chair even. I have a block underneath my hips. You can use a pillow or a rolled up blanket or a towel. And first, let's connect to our breath. So palms can be down for more grounding or palms up for more receiving. Gently close the eyes and allow yourself to sink into the space that you're in. Feeling your inhales coming in through the nose and filling up the abdomen and the belly. And on your exhales, allowing the whole chest and abdomen to fall. Seeing here if you can match your inhales to your exhales, just for a moment. And maybe here on this next one, let's inhale, filling up the belly, allowing our chest to expand, maybe sipping up a little bit more at the top. Open your mouth, exhale it out. Gently open your eyes. And even on that last breath, notice how you may feel more relaxed through the shoulders, and there's more space from the ears to the shoulders. So let's begin by bringing movement. Let's inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky. And as we exhale, let's drop our right hand in front as we twist over the left very gently. Even here, using your inhales to elongate your spine, and your exhales to twist from your center, gently looking over the left shoulder. And let's inhale, coming up through center, and exhale, gently moving to the other side. Just noticing if you feel differences on either side of the body, just acknowledging asymmetries. Every inhale allows your spine to elongate, and every exhale allows you to rotate a little bit more. Inhaling, coming through center. Exhale, let's go back to the other side, this time taking your right hand to the outside of the left knee, giving a little extra traction. Now holding here, but not holding your breath, plant down through the left fingertips and gently begin to side bend your neck away. You're going to feel this nice open space on the left side of your neck. Making sure not to go into pain, or you shouldn't feel any numbness or tingling, just an openness. Inhale, bring the head back to center, and then on your exhale, just gently rotate to the other side. Inhale the arms up. And as we exhale, we're going to rotate to the right. Our left hand's going to come to the outside of the right knee. And we're still using our inhales and exhales to rotate from our center. Now we're going to firmly plant our right fingertips down. And as we exhale, gently tilt the ear towards the shoulder on the left side. Again, feeling an openness on the right side of our neck and shoulder. Inhale, head comes back to center, and as we exhale, we come back to the midline. Staying here, let's get into some neck motions. So gently bring the chin towards the chest on your exhale. And then using your own breath, inhaling, taking the chin to the left shoulder. Exhale, rounding down through the center. Inhaling, taking the chin to the right shoulder. Exhaling through center. And let's do that one more time on each side. Inhaling, coming up to the shoulder. Just seeing how your range of motion is. Exhaling, coming back through center. One more time. Inhaling towards the right shoulder. And then exhale, coming down through center, and then back to midline. I'm going to remove the block from underneath, curling over the toes, coming into tabletop position. So what we know about releasing the neck is that we also have to elongate and move our shoulders and our thoracic spine. So let's do a few rounds of cat-cow, making sure that your wrists are right underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. Take a big inhale, drop the belly, shoulders go down the back, looking up. And then as you exhale, let's see if we can tuck the tailbone first, and then start to push the mat away, and then let's drop our head. Inhaling, we're gonna reverse it. Untuck the tailbone, drop the chest, but lift the sternum, spread the shoulders. Looking up, exhale, reverse. One more, inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, rounding the spine into flexion. And then let's inhale, come to tabletop, and exhale, settle in here, making sure the navel is moving towards the spine instead of here. Navel to spine, little tilt, little push into the floor. Coming into thread the needle, let's inhale our right hand up to the sky. Now a lot of people tend to really whip their arm up, so let's see if you can extend through the rib cage and allow the chest to rotate. And then your arm arrives. As you exhale, you're going to thread that arm underneath the left, reaching towards the left side of your mat and the left side of the room. So here you can bring your head to the mat if it allows. And once I arrive, I can actually use my head and my shoulders to really push and elongate here. I'm trying to stack my left shoulder on top of my right, working on some thoracic rotation. I can extend this arm long, or I can go for a bind and perhaps reach for the opposite hip, all the while rotating this shoulder open. One more breath here. And on your next inhale, slowly begin to unwind. Press up through that left arm. Inhale, sweep the arm up, and then exhale, plant the hand, and let's try it on the other side. So reaffirm your foundation. Let's inhale the left hand up, making sure that we're leading through the chest, pressing through that right arm. And then as we exhale, thread it underneath the right arm. So again, here you have the option to keep your arm right underneath your elbow, or reach it out long, or take a bind. However, no matter where you are, make sure that you feel this between the shoulder blades. So keep reaching the left fingertips towards the right side of the mat, right side of the room, and try to stack the left shoulder on top of the right. Let's inhale, coming up for that counter rotation, and then exhale, plant the hands. So just stay where you are and come into hero's pose. And then I'm going to turn and face you guys. So hero's pose can be on your heels here, or it might be comfortable to place 1 or 2 blocks underneath the hips. That gives you some more height in this position. So coming in here, sitting upright, let's inhale, lift the arms up, and then as we exhale, begin to side bend towards the left. So we're gonna plant down through the left fingertips and reach on over. Now even here, see if we can rotate the spine upwards towards the sky. And then begin to bend the top arm, so letting it drape on top. And then as we inhale, we're going to come sit up. And then exhale, take the head to the other side very gently. Keeping a pure side bend, space between the ear and shoulder, really reaching down through the fingertips on the left. Inhale, the left arm up. Again, backing off if you feel any tingling or pain. And then exhale, gently release everything. And let's go to the other side. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, let's side bend to the right. So the right fingertips reach towards the earth. I'm really rooting down through my left sits bone here as I reach my top arm across. Allowing this elbow to bend a little bit more, maybe rotating the chest open. And let's relax the top arm and push through the right fingertips to come to an upright position. And then as we exhale, gently side bend the left ear to left shoulder. Reaching down through the right fingertips, inhale, perhaps lifting the right hand out towards the side. And then exhaling, coming back through center. And then hopefully now you feel a little bit more energized and have less tension on the neck and the shoulders. Namaste.